There should be variation when come to breakfast or any other meal. So I'm going to show you a different way of making breakfast buns with apples. For this recipe I'm using 400 grams bread flour or plain flour, 10 grams sugar, 3 eggs, 5 grams instant dry yeast, 2 grams salt and 30 milliliters oil. And you will need about 50 milliliters of water depending on the size of the eggs you are using. Into a mixing bowl, add the bread flour, into that add the sugar, salt, yeast and break the eggs. And mix well. While mixing, add the oil. Now into that add warm water, about 25 milliliters first, and add bit by bit until it all gathers together. After, keep on kneading about 15 minutes. While the dough resting, let's do the filling. For that I'm using 2 different types of apples and then about 50 grams sugar. So add the sugar into a large bowl and cut the apples into it. Cut it into small cubes. After, put the apples into a pan with the sugar and cook it until there is no liquid. So the dough is ready and I'm going to take it out now. Leave it in a warm place to double in size. And cook the apples until there is no liquid. If you like, you can add a bit of sultana or any other dried fruit in here too. So the dough is double in size. Put some flour onto the bench and then take the dough out. Then press and roll the dough to a log. Cut the dough in half first, then roll again and then cut each half into 6. So 1, now take each dough piece, put some flour and roll it to an oval shape. Now take a spoonful of the apple and the sultana mix and put it in the middle. Then close and then roll it to the other end like this. So I'm going to put them in a muffin pan to double in size again. So I'm using 12 hole muffin pan. I sprayed it. The reason why I cut the dough like that and left it without rolling into balls, because when you cut it this way it's easier to roll it to an oval shape like this. So the buns are ready. Egg wash, and this goes to the preheated oven 180 Celsius about 20 minutes or until golden brown. I just took them out from the oven and this is how it is. They are really hot, so I'm going to put them on a wire rack to cool down completely. So the apple buns are ready and this is how it is. It's cool enough now, so they are really soft and moist buns that takes few minutes to prepare, and they are so soft and moist buns that you can freeze up to 3 months, and this is a really nice idea for a tea party, and you can prep them before and leave it in fridge. And hope you will enjoy this. See you next time.